Hi and welcome to a new video. Did you recently lose your Snapchat streaks with a friend and you want them back? In this video, I will show you an easy method to recover your Snap streak on Snapchat even after 24 hours. Let's go. First off, open the Snapchat app on your iPhone. If you see the fire icon next to your friend's profile, it means that you snapped with each other within 24 hours for more than 3 consecutive days. This implies that if you lost your streaks, you or your friend has not shared a snap with each other during the past 24 hours. But don't worry, you can still recover them easily. To do so, go to your profile page, navigate to Settings, and scroll down until you reach the Support section. Tap on I Need Help and select Contact Us. Choose I lost my snap streak from the options and provide accurate information on the required fields. In the What information should we know section, type something like. Then click on Send to submit the form. Snapchat will email you once your snap streak has been recovered. It might take some time before you receive a response, but they will get in touch with you. And that's it. If I can help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.